Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel as Nanu. This time we talk about BTS. We regret not being able to attend J-Hope concert. Update ARMY about military promotion. I forgot Black Swan. BTS V viewers update as the BTS member V Kim Taeyong inches closer to his military discharge with just 99 days left. He took to viewers on March 3, 2025 to share the update on his life in the military, his recent accomplishment, and his longing for army. Along with his post, he also shared a photo of himself in a military uniform, further delighting fans who are continuing down the days until his return. In his latest viewers update, V humorously shared his snow shoveling experience, saying it snowed, so I shoveled, had a snowfall fight to the I'm pretty good at it. He also revealed that he has been promoted to the sergeant second class, meaning he is now the second in the command, adding the confidently, soon I'll be. And another significant milestone we shared was his achievement as a special warrior, the title which is given to soldiers which excel in physical training and the military tasks. We are a result of his dedication and the intense workout. However, his determination came at a cost as he revealed that he once pushed himself too hard and he suffered two rib fracture. Thankfully, he assured fans that he has fully recovered and currently V is on the diet, maintaining his weight at the 70 kg and has been spending a lot of time reading. He credited Ina Nona for sending him an overwhelming number of books, joking that he might not be able to finish them at all. Unlike his pre-establishment and the days when he often struggled with the insomnia, we now find it easy to fall asleep the moment he lies down. However, waking up early still remains a challenge while adjusting to military life. He also shared how much he misses army, saying he often watches BTS concert video reminiscing about performing and the longing to sing and the dance again. And in a light-hearted moment, we mentioned that one of his juniors memorized the entire Black Swan choreography and asked him to check it. However, he humorously admitted that he forgot the moves himself. He also shared his recent watch list, mentioning that he has been enjoying Treasure Island and the prize actor Park Hyung-sik performance. Additionally, he caught BTS J-Hope episode on Live Alone, officially declaring himself a Jung Ho-seok fan. Perhaps the most touching part of his update was his regret over missing a recent BTS concert where he could have reunited with ARMY. He expressed his sadness but quickly reassured fans, anyway, I miss you all, I love you. In addition to his viewers update, we also left a comment on BTS leader RM Instagram post, further proving how much he misses his group and the fan. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.